guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing Gorilla Tag tutorial for the two walls over here. So if you're new to Gorilla Tag, and this was one of my struggles when I first started playing, basically you put your hand on the wall flat like this, and you want to push to the side and down at the same time, and you kind of stick to the wall a little bit. So after a little bit of doing that, just remember you gotta do it fast, and you kind of have to push it hard, which is a little harder to do, but after a really long time of practicing, you'll get used to the feeling. There's other ways to do it, like with your fingers, which I don't really like this one. It's a lot harder to do. And then there's one where you can put your hand sideways like this, which I don't really like this one either, but I mean, it's mostly whatever you're comfortable with works best. And then this one's probably my second favorite, which you basically pull towards you and down at the same time, and basically allows you to climb straight up. Look, you can see it's really simple to use and quick full, my bad. And it's really easy to use, it's fast, you're being chased. But it's basically like whatever you're comfortable with works the best, and just do whatever you want to do. Because I've learned that there's a lot of different ways I've seen people do it, and it's very unique ways. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Bye.